Huh? What's going on here? Moe has a question. What is a bank?
Oh, well, a bank is a safe place where people can keep their money.
Why would you put your money in a bank instead of just keeping it like under your mattress or in a jar at home?
If you put your money in a bank, they will actually give you what they call interest, which is extra money for just saving your money.
You get money for saving money?
Exactly.
What an amazing deal.
30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents.
What are you guys doing?
Shooting our money?
How much money is that? $1 million?
No, not those.
It's a lot of money, though. What are all the different types of money we have?
Oh, there are heaps. The first set of money that we've got 10 cents, 20 cents, and even 50 cents.
Whoa.
Now, the other two coins that we've got are these gold-coloured ones. We've got $1 and $2.
Oh, yeah. And where did all this money come from? How did you guys get so much money?
We saved it.
You saved it? Where did the money come from in the first place?
First, you need to earn your money by doing jobs.
Do you guys get pocket money too?
Yes.
Oh. How does Moe put Moe's money into a bank?
Oh, really, really easy. All you have to do is head down to a bank, so you might need something like a birth certificate or some other form of identification. You hand that over, you prove who you are, and just like that, they'll give you a bank account.
Okay. Well, Moe is Moe, and there's only one Moe. Is that good enough?
I think you'll be fine.
Okay. Gilda, Moe would like to open up a bank account, please.
Does Moe come with a last name?
No, Moe just has one name, like Madonna.
Do you have an address?
Yes, Moe's Tree House, Mount Moehau, Coromandel, New Zealand, Earth.
And you want an account for saving?
Oh, yes, please. Is it an account where you get interest?
Yes.
Oh, interesting.
Perfect. And we are now all done.
Was that easy?
That easy.
Yes. Well, that was fun learning about banking. Who wants cuddles?
Yeah!